Now tap on the fetch data here, and you can see here we have got the output like name Abhi and user type admin. So whatever we specify in the post data here to this particular API, we are getting the same in response. In this vlog, we would like to deal with the implementation of post API call using Getx library. So if you have gone through our channel, there is a complete playlist on Getx tutorials here. So here we have made use of Getx library and have performed various tasks here. So we have seen various examples like displaying an alert box, state management, navigating in between different screens, bottom sheet, and network call event. So in terms of network call, we have only dealt with get API request, and today I am going to deal with post API request using Getx library. So post API call is a bit different from get API call here, and we even need to pass some parameters in post API call, and also sometimes we require headers. So in this part of the tutorial, let us try to see in detail like how to make a post API call. So the very first thing here we need to add is like get dependency here. So I've added the get library under the dependency, and the latest version is like 4.6.5 connect. Whenever you are dealing with network calls here using Getx library, so get connect is the import which you need to make here. So as per the latest version of Getx library, this is the way we deal with the API calls. So now let's try to create a variable now. So let us try to create final, and I'm trying to name it like Getx here, and this is of a type get connect. Okay, so just we have created Getx a variable here of a type get connect, and now we will be making use of this Getx and try to make our post API call. So let us start creating our method here, void fetch data, and this is of a type asynchronous. So every time an API call is made, it is of a type asynchronous itself. And here we are not returning anything. You can just clearly see here this is not of a type future here, so I'm just specifying void here, that's all. So now let us try to capture the response by making an API call here. So final response is equal to getx, which we have specified above, dot, and now you can get a set of methods here you can make use of. So now let's try to add the URL first. So this is the URL by using which I will post my data, because as this is a post API call, we need to send some parameters. So now let us try to declare final data equal to, and within which let us try to specify our parameters which we want to pass to our post API call. So the very first thing I want to pass is like name here in. Okay, so this is my data here, and for the body I'm going to append this one data response dot then here. So we do have a method like then, and here you can see this is the value which is being received in terms of response here. And now we can make use of a print statement here, and you can just specify value here, and this will work now. Value dot body here, and try to save the code, and now tap on the fetch data here, and you can see here we have got the output like name Abhi and user type admin. So whatever we specify in the post data here to this particular API, we are getting the same in response.